Hello YouTube, I just received my first AC servo motor and I thought that I will make a short little unboxing video of it, since the videos from the garage will have to wait for some time, since the garage where I have all the stuff, the router and the lathe and everything, is at my grandparents, and can't go and visit them as it is now due to the coronavirus. So sorry about the delay, but this was a bit unexpected. Anyways, I ordered this servo motor kit from eBay, and price was about $260 US. So I thought that was very cheap. So it will be interesting to see if the driver is included as well. I ordered it for about three days ago, I think. So shipping was very fast. It arrived in 2 or 3 days. Looks promising. Right, so seems like everything is included. I was a bit unsure since they sold a 750 watt servo motor for just 60 bucks cheaper, but without driver included. And as always, sorry about me shooting the video holding the camera here in one hand. It's a bit of shaky footage, but it is what it is. So here we have the servo driver. Alright, so servo driver included. Wires included, or cables included. Ooh, seems to be some kind of instruction included down there. That was nice. Hey. Looks like a very nice motor. This is like Christmas Eve to me. I wonder what the size is. I think it's NEMA 34. What will the language be? Seems to be English. Nice, super nice, with some instructions. So the cables look very nice, and it says IP68 here, so that's nice. And also some ground. I wasn't sure about that, but that's nice. And they also marked the wires up here with letters. And this one looks very nice as well. I believe that this one is for the encoder. There's a lot of small pins, and yeah, this one seems to be made out of plastic, so but for the price I paid, I gotta say that I'm super impressed. So I intend to use this motor to drive the spindle on the M-Coturn lathe, and 1 kV or kW is perhaps a bit too weak, but I cannot afford any larger motors if I want a servo, and I wanted a servo since I have some plans for the future to being able to do some milling with the lathe and to index the workpiece with help of this one. And yeah, super nice that the instructions were included and that they were in English, so hopefully it will be no issues connecting it up. And looks super professional. I don't know, perhaps these ones doesn't look super nice, but still better than nothing. And yeah, this one is plastic here, so but I mean, for about 260 bucks I am super happy, and the shipping was included in that as well. So I don't have a soldering iron here in my apartment, but I will see if I can try this one out, simply squeezing some cable in here just to test it, see if it works. Alright, that was pretty much it. Yeah, you can see some letters here as well, numbers, so that's nice. I do not have a soldering iron here in my student apartment, but I will try and simply squeeze some cables in here to see if it works, and hopefully I can upload a video on that and where to place the cables in order to be able to use it with a CNC controller. And here we have some bonus information. I had and ordered 3 hybrid steppers for the 64 router, and I got them to a very decent price, about 79 bucks each. So I went for them. I won't upgrade in the near time. I think it will be during the summer. Would like to spend my time on the lathe and my manual mill project. And I also bought myself a couple of premium end mills. I haven't tried any branded end mills out, so it will be very interesting to try these ones. This one is from Carloy, and the finish is just insane. The size on these two is 12 millimeters, so almost half an inch. This one is from YG. It is called All the Power. So I would like to get one Goering RF100A, I think it's called. That one should be able to withstand crazy cutting speeds. So hopefully I will be able to make a video pretty soon trying these ones out on the router, see if it will work. According to the data sheet, it will work with cutting speeds that I can obtain on my high-speed spindle, but we'll see if it is rigid enough. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and sorry again for the delay, but the corona situation is what it is, and take care, and I would super appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and also if you pressed thumbs up on this video. Have a nice week and take care.